Hi, it's John Luke Ciccone, and I'm going to go through my C Sharp and Golang commercial elevator controller. First, start with C Sharp. Uh, we have a class for the doors with an ID and a status. For the call buttons, we give them IDs, status, a floor, and a direction. For floor request button, we do almost the same: ID, status, floor, direction. These are all just to be used later in something like the elevator class. We give it ID, status, amount of floors, current floors, and we create methods like move, so that later on we could move the correct elevator to the right floor and pick up the right person and move them to wherever they want. We sort the floor list using this. This is so that if there's nothing in the way, it could operate. Add new request. It takes the new request and it adds it to the list. Then for column, we create a new class, uh, give it ID, status, amount of floors, amount of elevators. We create a method for creating call buttons. So based on whether it's a basement or not, we create a button, put that in the array for call buttons, the call button list, and to use later, we create the elevators. Um, yeah, we also add those to a list. Then we take the requests, and depending on where the user is and which direction they want to go, it operates and chooses where. Then we get to how it chooses which elevator to use. It runs through this if else statement and checks to see, which floor is best based on checking against other elevators it could use. And in order to do this for C Sharp, I made a new class for best elevator information with best elevator, best score reference gap, just to easily compare it later on. And then for battery, it's again, we give it ID, we give it status, give it a column list and a floor button list. It creates the basement columns and adds that to an array. Takes the above ground columns, also adds that to the array. Um, yeah, and it creates the floor button requests. Again, adds them to a list. Same with for the basements, same thing. And then assigning the elevator. This is for the test to run and the scenarios, see if it works. And if we click here, terminal, run, it should eventually. Eventually. There, failed 0, passed 4, and if you check my go, it's almost the exact same, except instead of using the separate file for best elevator information, I did it differently. I gave them their own properties and assigned them. And this too, if you run it, uh, um, I passed. It should show more. Sorry. There we go. Pass, 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 and pass. And so yeah, that's uh that's the commercial elevator controller for C Sharp and Golang. Thanks for watching.